Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zapier webhooks to trigger automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Zapier webhooks to trigger automation, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on Create Zap in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the trigger search bar, type and select Webhooks by Zapier. Next, choose Catch Hook from the list of available triggers. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, you'll see a unique webhook URL generated for you. Copy the webhook URL to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the application that you want to connect with Zapier. In that application, locate the section where you can set up webhooks. Paste the copied webhook URL into the designated field within your application. Now, configure the webhook with the appropriate data you want to send to Zapier. After setting up the webhook, go back to your Zapier dashboard. To test your webhook, click on Test Trigger within Zapier. Now, perform the action in your connected application that should send data to the webhook. Once the action is performed, return to Zapier. You should see a confirmation that the test was successful and that data was received. Click Continue to proceed to the next step in your Zapier automation. Now it's time to choose the action that you want Zapier to perform in response to the webhook. Search for and select the app where you want the action to occur. Choose the specific action you want to trigger from this application. Follow the prompts to connect your account for the selected application. Configure any additional settings required for the action. Finally, click Turn on Zap to activate your webhook automation. Your Zap is now live and ready to trigger actions automatically whenever the webhook receives data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.